Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Bakes Foods. In this video we're going to show you how to make bacon wrapped pork tenderloin. I'm going to do it on the grill over some charcoal, a little bit of smoky flavor. It's going to be good. So here we have our Hormel pork tenderloin, and this is about 1.3 pounds, and we've got just some applewood smoked bacon that we're going to wrap it in. I'm going to show you how to season it and how to cook it. Let's get into it. So I'm going to use my favorite seasoning here, just some Lawreys seasoned salt. And we're just going to give it a nice little seasoning here. Pat it down, get both sides. Not too heavy because it's not a very big piece of meat. And then we're going to go ahead and open our bacon. So here we go. So we're just going to go ahead and wrap. We'll just start from the end. Just overlap. You want to try to make sure you put the ends on the bottom. Start at the bottom. Just wrap her around. The final piece. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Look at that. So we're going to go ahead and season the top a little bit as well. Not too much. Bacon is salty. Now I always like to use a little bit of parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes, just because it looks so good. Look at that. What are you guys doing? Trying to make a video. So we're going to go ahead and add this roast to the back here, just behind the coals. We want to do indirect heat because that bacon will flare up good. So just going to grab it and we'll put it right there. Now we're going to let that cook for about 45 minutes here. I'm using this Kingsford pecan. All right. We've been cooking for about 45 minutes here. You can see that smoke flavor is just starting to penetrate there. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to move this forward a little bit. Put it over the heat. Since our charcoal is dying down, I'm going to go ahead and use a teriyaki glaze and just rub that on there. Oh yeah. I'm going to let it cook for another 15 minutes or so here. Just get that glaze on there nicely. So we're looking for about 145. So we've got about 20 minutes more here to cook. And then she'll be good to go. Nothing like grilling at sunset. What do you think of this? Okay, so we've let it rest for about 7 minutes here. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut into it. Oh, that's tender. Oh, man. There we are. Look at that. Look how tender that is. It's beautiful. Go ahead and plate this. Ooh-wee. Alright guys. There it is. Bacon wrapped tenderloin. Give this a try. That's so good. Let's try this homemade stuffing here. What a good use for leftover bread that you're not going to use anymore. In that you can use regular sausage. I used chorizo sausage, which just kind of gives it that little bit of spicy kick. So good. Anyways guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Tune in for more videos, great recipes, and till the next one, bakes out. Bendy spoon, you know.